Jollibee Katipunan kasi launching ng Jollibee and Sanrio collaboration at Jollibee Toys. Let's check it out, yo! Here's the exhibit nila, kailang promotional item, promotional posters, Sanrio characters, Wonder Wheel. Siyempre, ang pinakabida rito ay si Hello Kitty. May melody. Yan. Here's the Wonder Wheel na setup. Check it out, yo.
Magandang araw and welcome to a very special exclusive event here at Jollibee Katipunan. I will be your host for this morning. Ako po ay mula sa 90.7 Love Radio. Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic! Ako si DJ Nicole Liana! Yes! For their love of milk and cream caramel pudding. Go! Yes! The answer is?
Sige. Pompoporian.
Pompoporian is correct!
Wow! Hindi ko alam yan!
Sanrio character has long ears that can fly!
Cinnamon!
Yes!
Ikaw na, ikaw na.
Cinnamon roll!
Cinnamon roll is correct!
Yay! Wow!
Cheers!
Answer is? My Melody!
My Melody!
To see a lot of kids and kids at heart here in Katipunan as we unbox our newest Jollibee Kids meal. So Abby, are you as hyped as I am?
We're very excited. Kids meal toys, etc. During different times of the year to bring a joyful and unique playtime experience. Hi, I'm Karen or Captain May. I love Hello Kitty. Para pala ako isa sa mga decoration mo sa bahay. Actually, medyo test of age because I grew up looking at the Hello Kitties at UK. And I used to watch the cartoons that would show up on TV. So, I love that no matter what age you are, until now, Hello Kitty helps you embrace your inner child and makes you feel whimsical, and no matter what age, I think you can still be cute and kawaii. So that's why I resonate a lot with Hello Kitty.
Yes, and I'm sure everyone gets to relate with that. Our best friend!
Hello Kitty! He-Man!
Jollibee, where are you? Jollibee! Ayun na, meron po siya lumabas. Ayan! There you go!
Si Jollibee!
So the cast is complete. We have our boss unbox our Wonder Wheel in 3, 2, and 1! There you go! Introducing the newest Jollibee Kids meal, Sanrio characters Wonder Wheel.
Here's the blind box na Sanrio characters Wonder Wheel. So, tigigisa kaming boxes.
Meron po kasi tayong game dito. So, let's open it together in a bit. Alright? So,
unboxing tayo. Small parts, not for children under 3. How old are you? Ayan.
In 3, 2, 1, go! Let's do the Wonder Wheel Mixer Challenge! This is so exciting! Alright? Actually, dun sa likod ng box, you can see the actual how it looks like the one here in front. Stop! Don't give up! May mga nag-give up na ako nakita. Don't give up. Let's do this and create the checking. Checking. Okay. Kaya mo po yan. Oh, it has to be in the same order as the one in the screen. or the one at the back of the box. Meron po dyan sa likod ng box, so you don't have to refer to the...
Ito pala lahat.
Ano yun?
Following instructions, so following the picture, diba? Ano yung pinakamahirap sa pag-assemble? Our childhood, no? Ayan! After revealing our super amazing Sanrio Wonder Wheel, of course, syempre kanina medyo konti lang yung... Pwede! Actually, creative! Pwede! Yung Wonder Wheel na naging ibang level. Diba? It's nice! Because it's a real character's Wonder Wheel.
Okay, just finished the unboxing of the Jollibee Sanrio toys. Launching on March 1. It's a blind box thing. So good luck sa inyong lahat if you're going to buy this. I suggest bumili kayo ng madami para matsambahan nyo yung complete set. So yung complete set, ganito na itsura niya. It's a build a Ferris wheel Sanrio featuring si Hello Kitty, si Namorol, My Melody, Pochaco, Kuromi, si pangalan na to, si Pomporporin, at si Hello Kitty syempre. Check it out, yo. Ito yung itsura niya. Let's have a closer look.
Ever di naman complete ang ating Jollibee experience
Itsura niya.
Experiencing and enjoying the launch of prepared
Diba?
for
Pwede,
us.
pwede. It's a very nice figure. Very premium. Hindi siya chipipay, no? Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. It's a build a Ferris wheel. At umiikot siya, umiikot siya. Ganda, 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 ganda. And we're so lucky that we got a entire set. Thank you so much, Jollibee. So +1 kami nito kasi ang nabuha ko dito is si Pompomporin. Pompomporin ang nakuha. So ayan, napakaganda, napakaganda. Sobrang ganda. Solid to, solid. Ayan, they're having a photo na with Jollibee. Ganda. Ganda. Siyempre, Hello Kitty na yung the best dito. Grabe, blind box. Sabi niya nung ano pa siya working profile kasi kanina yung profile medyo nakakover. Ayo. Para maganda. Microphone na lang. May microphone. Para establish ko na. Sorry, music. So that's the end of our vlog for today. Check it out yung Jollibee Kids Meal ni Jollibee Sanrio. Yung price niyang Jolly Kids Meal. Mura lang siya. So sa blind box, so good luck sa inyong lahat. Unahan na lang. Basta ako kompleto. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog. Thank you so much, Jollibee, for this awesome event.